Hey, YouTube! Today, I want to talk about C++ and how it's a statically typed language. What does that mean? Well, it means that every variable in C++ has a specific type that is determined at compile time. This is different from dynamically typed languages like Python, where the type of a variable can change at runtime. In this video, I want to take you through the process of how C++ code is written, compiled, and executed. First, we start with the initial stage of writing C++ code. This is where you put your ideas into code. Once you've written your code, you save it as a source file. This is a file format that the compiler can understand, so it can process your code. Now, the source file is passed through a compiler. This is where the magic happens. The compiler checks your code for any errors and converts it into machine code. The compiler checks for errors, and if it finds any errors, it will prompt to fix the errors before proceeding. Once the code is free of errors, the compiler converts it into machine code. Machine code is a form that the computer can understand and execute. Finally, the code is executed and the results are produced. Understanding this flowchart can help you understand the process of how C++ code is written, compiled, and executed. But why is this important? Well, because C++ is compiled rather than interpreted, it leads to faster code execution. I want to talk about the differences between C++ and Python in terms of how their code is processed. Let's start with C++. As you can see, we have the initial stage of writing C++ code. This is where you put your ideas into code using the C++ programming. Once you've written your code, it goes through a compiler that checks for errors and converts it into machine. The machine code is the final output of the compilation process and can be executed by the computer. Finally, the code is executed and the results are produced. Now, let's look at Python. As you can see, we also have the initial stage of writing Python code, but the process is slightly different. Once you've written your code, it goes through an interpreter that reads and executes the code on the fly. The code is executed and the results are produced. As you can see, the main difference between C++ and Python is that C++ is compiled into machine code before execution, and Python is interpreted and executed directly by the interpreter. So, if you're looking to write efficient and fast code, C++ might be the right choice for you. So, there you have it. C++ is a statically typed language, and it's faster than some dynamically typed languages. Give it a try and see how it works for you.